Gmail account recovery. So if you want to recover your Gmail account or your Google account, then you just need to simply open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. Once you're on the Google, tap on the search, which is on the upper side, and search for Gmail recovery. Once you search here, you will have these kind of searches or the results. Simply go for the second result, which is account support. And here you need to enter the email address or the phone number associated with your Google account. So enter the email and then tap on next. And here you can either enter your fingerprint, face, or screen lock to verify, or you can go for try another way. And here you need to enter your password to log into your account. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for try another way, which is on the bottom left again. And here you will receive a verification code or a call to the specific mobile number which you have used while creating your account. So simply tap on call or text, or if you don't have your phone, then you can tap on I don't have my phone, which is on the bottom left. So tap on text or call, whichever you're comfortable with. And once you tap on text, you will receive the code, and you just need to simply copy the code and paste that code here and then tap on next. And that's it. Now you can simply tap on continue and your account will be recovered. Or if you want to change your password, then tap on update password and then you can create a new password. So that's how you can recover your Gmail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.